We're exploring school. She walks to school every morning. The school has a big playground. Tom is excited about starting school. They discussed the new school curriculum in the meeting. School trips are always fun and educational. The school library offers various resources for students. Her school performance reflects her dedication and hard work. School funding is a critical issue for educational development. He attributes his success to his supportive school environment. We're exploring university. She's going to university next year. The university library has a vast collection of books. I met my best friend at university. He studied engineering at a prestigious university. University campus is very beautiful in the spring. University life taught me a lot about independence. Many universities offer scholarships to international students. Attending university can significantly impact your career prospects. The university's research facilities are among the best in the country. We're exploring studying. She is studying for her math exam tomorrow. Studying in the library helps me concentrate better. I find studying with friends to be more enjoyable. He's studying the effects of climate change on wildlife. Studying every night has improved her understanding of the subject. She is interested in studying foreign languages at university. Studying ancient history requires analyzing various historical sources. His dedication to studying quantum physics truly remarkable. The process of studying involves critical thinking and problem-solving skills. We're exploring exams. Tom studied hard for his final exams last week. Exams can be stressful, especially at the end of the term. She passed all her exams with flying colors this semester. He usually reviews his notes 1 week before exams start. The university announced the exam schedule for the summer session. Group study sessions can help reduce exam anxiety significantly. The comprehensive exams will determine your eligibility for graduation. To excel in exams, she employs strategic study techniques diligently. His approach to mastering exams involves detailed time management and planning. We're exploring learning. Learning to ride a bike takes patience. She enjoys learning new recipes every weekend. He's enthusiastic about learning different languages. Company supports continuous learning for all employees. Online platforms provide diverse learning opportunities. Learning from past experiences can guide future decisions. The research focuses on cognitive aspects of learning in children. Learning curves can be steep in advanced mathematics. His dissertation explores immersive learning environments in schools. We're exploring homework. I need to finish my homework before dinner. Do you want help with your math homework? He forgot to bring his homework to class today. Have you completed the history homework for tomorrow? The homework assignment was longer than I expected. Group homework sessions can make studying more enjoyable. She discovered a new approach for organizing her homework tasks. Completing homework efficiently requires good time management skills. Students often debate the academic value of excessive homework. We're exploring teacher. The teacher smiled and greeted the students. My teacher explained the math problems very clearly. The teacher asked us to submit homework by Friday. She became a teacher to inspire young minds. The teacher organized a field trip to the museum. During lunch, the teacher discussed projects with colleagues. The economics teacher analyzed the consequences of inflation trends. Teachers often need to adapt lesson plans spontaneously. Her innovative teaching methods have transformed student engagement. We're exploring student. The student asked a question about the homework. This student always arrives early to the lectures. Every student in the class passed the final exam. The students were excited about the upcoming field trip. Each student must submit their project by next Friday. The student struggled with the complex math problem. As a top student, she received a scholarship for college. The student's thesis explored innovative approaches to renewable energy. Students benefit greatly from participating in extracurricular activities. We're exploring classroom. The teacher entered the classroom with a smile. Students decorated the classroom for the holiday party. The classroom was noisy before the lesson began. Our classroom has a new smartboard for interactive lessons. She left her umbrella in the classroom after school. The classroom windows offer a view of the garden outside. The classroom was rearranged to facilitate group activities. A sense of excitement filled the classroom during the experiment. Classroom discussions often lead to unexpected insights and debates. We're exploring education. Education is important for a successful career. She wants to pursue higher education in the USA. Parents often discuss education options for their children. Online education has become more popular in recent years. She believes education can change society for the better. The education system needs significant reform to be effective. Quality education is a fundamental right for every individual. He criticizes the disparity in education opportunities worldwide. Innovative education methods could transform traditional learning environments.